If you manage a building in Elgin, Illinois, your commercial roof probably isn't top of mind until something goes wrong. But waiting for a major leak before calling a commercial roof repair contractor can turn a manageable issue into a costly emergency. In this quick video, we'll cover warning signs that your roof needs attention from a professional commercial roofing company like Apex Exteriors Incorporated. First, watch for interior clues. Stains on ceiling tiles, bubbling paint, or musty odors often mean that moisture is getting past your roof system. The longer you wait, the higher the cost of commercial roof repairs can climb. Next, check the roof surface. Standing water that lingers for more than 48 hours, blisters in the membrane, and visible cracks at the seams can signal a breakdown. In our freeze-thaw cycles, even small defects can grow quickly. Don't ignore edges and penetrations. Loose metal flashing and gaps around rooftop HVAC units or vents can let water in long before a major leak appears. A thorough commercial roof repair service inspects these details, not just the open field of the roof. Finally, consider age and history. If it's been years since your last professional inspection, it's time to get a commercial roof repair estimate from a team focused on long-term performance. Many property managers also schedule commercial roof repair evaluations in Cook County and Kane County, Illinois, to catch issues early. If you're concerned about the commercial roof on your Elgin, Illinois property and want straightforward guidance instead of guesswork, schedule a roof inspection with Apex Exteriors Incorporated and get expert recommendations to protect your building, budget, and peace of mind.